Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are unboxing this AXOR helmet. So this is an AXOR full face helmet. So this design is called AXOR Apex. You can see here. So this is an AXOR Apex helmet, and do not go with the color here. So mine is a vivid, that is a model. So this has both ECE and DOT certification along with ISI. So let us look at the box first. So this is how the box looks like. Okay, so there is a handle here where you can carry this box also. And let us quickly see what is there in the box. Okay, there you go. So this is a helmet. We got it in a bag. The helmet is huge actually. So along with it we are also getting some stickers. This is the bag you will get in the box. You can see the bag is very good. So whenever you are going on some rides or and all, so you can carry this bag and you can carry your helmet also. Let me quickly show you how does it look from the inside. So I'm just opening the helmet now. Okay, so this is the helmet. This is called AXOR Apex Vivid. You can see the branding here, Vivid, and it has both DOT and EC certification, and it also has ISI. You can see it here, and here you can see the AXOR branding. You can see the weight here. It says 1600 grams, and this is a rear spoiler. You will see, and here you on the other side too you will see this AXOR helmet's branding. It is mentioned here aerodynamic design, and on the top this is how it looks on the top. Okay, this is so colorful actually, and you have this AXOR branding again, the logo X on the top. So this is how it looks on the overall. So here you are seeing these are two air vents here on the top. You can open and close. You can see it here. So two sides you will see the air vents here and here, and on the chin too you will get an air vent. You can open and close based on your need. So just like how you see the air vents here on the top, so behind this spoiler also you will see two exhaust air vents where it will shell out the hot air from inside, and it will cool the shell completely. So that is a good feature we need to have if you are going on long drives. Put on your helmet, so the view is very big. So this is an anti-scratch resistant, you can see it here, and it also has pin lock. So pin lock means you will get this anti-fog setup or a sticker inside. This is what it is. So it will not fog when you are driving in cold conditions or rain. So this is by default it is coming with these AXOR helmets, and you can see a few details mentioned here already. So this is compatible with Bluetooth headset and also the intercoms. So there is separate a provision here. I'll show you in a minute. And this is how it looks overall on the outside. So on the inside you will get this secondary visor. So we have a button here. So just if you are putting it, you can bring it down and bring it up. Okay, and so this is the secondary visor, or you can also call as a sun visor. So this is very helpful actually when you are driving on a very sunny day, and you don't want to close this, but you want to feel the air. So this is something which is needed, and I like this model. So when coming to the padding, so this has a removable lining and padding inside. You can see how thick the padding is. You can see it here. You'll also get this chin guard, so which will stop the dust from coming in when you're driving. So this is kind of a protection, and so this is how it looks on the inside. So the padding is very good. So the size which I'm seeing, which you are seeing right now, so this is XL size, and we are having this safety D-ring locking system. So this is how it looks like, and even on the inside, if you can see, I'll try to show just a moment. So this is how it looks in the inside. You can see how good the padding is, and this is where you are seeing this small dotted connection. So this is where you can put up your intercom or your Bluetooth headset, and so you can see the lining and the padding inside too. So I personally liked it very much. So before this I saw SMK also, but compared to that I like this fit and finish. So this is how it looks on the inside, so you can see it. Once you peel off the sticker on the front glass, you'll see this pin lock, and it is in yellow. So make sure you are taking out this cover on the pin lock too. So most probably people, initially I thought this will stay yellow forever, but later I realized there is a cover protective layer. So if you look at the corner here, so this part, so I've peeled off a little bit, and then I realized, okay, this is what we have to do before we use it. So this is something like a protective cover on the pin lock. So this is the pin lock cover, which is yellow. Now after this, so these are the few stickers I got. So you have the stickers with your blood group. You can stick it if needed. So I'll quickly show you. So this is a blood group, one AXOR Helmet sticker, and two radium stickers, and one small spoiler.